Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here, new day, new cup project. This is a cup I made a while ago. I've had a customer order it and it's been so long that I needed to go back and refresh my memory by watching an old video to see how I did it and to get the names of all the ingredients. So I figured I'd show you and we'll update this whole thing together. This is a 30-ounce skinny with a taper, and I'm going to mix up about 50 milliliters of resin. I'm probably going to use KS Art resin for this because this is going to be a Mica Swirl and I want to give myself enough time to mix all the different little resin cups and have time to, drizzle them on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put aside 10 to 15 milliliters in a little cup. And into that, I am going to mix in Cast & Craft Opaque Pigment in green. So I'm going to put a green resin base on here. And then I'm going to parse out all the other resin into the other 6 little cups I have. And into each of those, I'm going to put Crafter's Choice Newtone Green Mica, Daler Rowney's Pearlescent Acrylic Ink in Macaw Green. And this is the same thing in Autumn Gold. Then I'm going to put Champagne Toast. This is a glittery mica from Island Micas and More. And into another cup, I'm going to put Treasure from Island Micas and More. And into another cup, I'm going to put Shimmering Bronze, also from Island Micas and More. I'm going to end up with 6 little individual cups of different colors, and they're all going to be drizzled onto a green base because the customer wants greens and golds and coppers. Sit back and enjoy the show.